Hello fellow woodworkers, this is a garage woodworker, and today we are going to talk about a simple technique that will allow you to make perfect connections, 45 style connections, when you make simple projects like picture frames or anything else that require 45 without having a lot of expensive equipment. But you can simply use a reciprocating saw. I'm trying to find my saw. An inexpensive reciprocating saw that will give you great results and actually can allow some very interesting creativity. So let's get to start cutting. So take the two pieces you want to make the 45 or something similar, like this, and then make sure you have another piece the same width so you can clamp it so this will be straight. If it is not straight, you're not going to get good results. It is important that this is an almost perfect connection here, and then simply mark where your cut should end. Take your reciprocating saw move. So place the two pieces of wood that will make your frame corner together. Use a scrap that is the same dimension height wise with the other two pieces to keep it straight. It's important this is straight. Pay close attention that this is well matched, that this corner is well matched, and clamp both sides. We need to make a mark to where the corner comes, so we're going to eyeball it for now. Now we are concerned a little bit about this specific wood because it has a big notch here, and the notch might cause us a trouble. Or maybe, you know, why I'm going to change it so it won't have the notch there. Because when you have a notch, it is very likely that the notch will break. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not, but I will try it anyway. No, I don't think it will clear. And as you can see, we have a pretty perfect corner without having any special tools. Also, if you want to match the woods better, you can change the direction, like so. and that matches the grain a little better. This is an easy way to make a corner In our case, we experienced difficulties in the beginning because I was using a very old blade, so we had to stop and buy a blade. But you can see that it is not perfect, but especially if you're doing a rusty corner, if you want to make a connection, you can see that this is a pretty good result. I hope you enjoy this tip from the garage woodworker and will help you with your projects at home. And you can see that you don't need a plethora of equipment to do your woodworking. Even a simple saw like this has the ability to help you make most any project you want. I consider the jigsaw one of the most useful tools because at the minimum it gives you rough cuts, and at best, of course, it gives you the best cuts that you need. I will see you soon. If you enjoyed this tip, please share, subscribe and like. That helps us continue making content for you.